me back again here. I'm going to go ahead and work on the layout a little bit today, getting it ready for the holidays. I know the grandchildren are going to be up and want to see the trains running, and so what we need to do is get some of the stuff off the track here, get it not looking so much like a construction site. And first off, I'm going to go ahead and clean the tracks, because that hasn't been done for quite a while. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So normally what I do is, let's see here, take that feature off here. I just take my typical kitchen Scotch-brite pad here. Here's one that's a little in better shape than that other one. A little better shape here. And I find that this works really well. Basically, I'm just going to go through here and I am going to clean, get all this track back to the shininess that it should be. And I find that this is a lot better than trying to clean the wheels of those trains, especially the engines. Those are quite the bugger to clean. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that all the way around, and that should take a little while considering some of this stuff's not as easy to get to. So here we go. So now that I have the track all wiped down, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of some of the boxes of shrubbery and construction stuff. And I think it's my goal to try to get this lower line going here so I can actually run 3 trains. If you can see the yard that's way back there. This is the lower line down here that comes across, and this is just a siding. And down in the valley where all the construction stuff is, that's where a farm is going to go in the future. And this right here is going to be a nice bridge once I get around to putting it in. For now, we're kind of working our way from the top, as you can see, a little bit in the front and the sides. Working our way from the top on down, because with my experience is that stuff gets destroyed that's at the lower levels if I'm trying to work on the upper level stuff. So here we go. Let's go ahead and pull some trains out of the way so I can do some testing. Maybe I'll take these diesels down below and see how far I get, minus the Harry Potter back end here. So we shall see. And we'll take it for one loop around the second level. And much to my excitement, all three engines are smoking. Woo! Oh, definitely getting smoky in here. So I'll go ahead and switch this now. And this will take me on the line down to the lower level. Oops. And there's always that issue of forgot to turn on the power. Make sure that all switches are on. And so it's going to be track track 5 boost, crank it up. Nothing. It's always something. Make sure these are up all the way. Track 5 boost. Crank it up. Well, looks like I gotta do a little troubleshooting. Life of trains. Okay, here we go again. After a couple hours of work, I finally figured out what my problem was. I added this copper line along next to the track. You can see it here, you can see it hanging right here. That was supposed to, copper ground line that was supposed to help with the TMCC signal, scrambling between the different levels. I don't think it did. I had to pull off another solution. You'll see in one of my other videos, but the moral of the story is that copper wire that I put under the track was actually touching the bottom of the track right here, I believe. So once I put this piece of paper in here to separate it, temporary solution, but it's back. We have power again, hooray! So let me pull back here. You can see that the passenger car down there is lit. Luke's up there working hard. So let's go ahead and give this train a roll. I'm gonna, first time I've went between the levels here in a long time. Let's give it a go. Whoops. I have the momentum set a little bit too slow. There we go. So now it's going way down. You can't see it. There's an engine in the hills. Heading on down, and we're going to come out down here. Something got caught. Let's take a look here. I don't see anything. See a lot of smoke. Whoa. Let's back it up here, or at least try. See if I've got a wire hanging down there. Come on. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, it's going into a spaz mode. This wire might have been in the way. I'll turn that bell off. Let's go. Oh, unfortunately, my problems with my TMCC signal are not gone. If you take a look here, you can see that headlight's flickering away like crazy. And that's not just the trick of the camera, it's exactly what's happening right now. So I'm gonna have to continue working on figuring out why that diesel is not being sandwiched between two different levels. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and continue working on that, see what I can come up with, and take it from there. Until next time, thank you very much. Let's see here. Up in the next video to let you know exactly what I do to figure this one out. I'm going to try a different engine also on that track too to see if it's more of just an issue with my Northern Pacific. But we shall see. I will let you know. And until then, I'm going to continue also getting this layout ready for Thanksgiving. So it's going to be lots of fun. Have happy training. Today I have some bonus footage. I got the MTH working on the second level. I haven't seen these engines run for quite a while, and wow, are they doing well. Nothing like the old TIU doing its job.